Coronavirus was first identified in the 1960s. Coronavirus affects both animals and humans. Let's know what is the coronavirus. Generally, the symptoms of the coronavirus are the same as any other upper respiratory infection, such as the runny nose, cough, fever, shortness of breath and throat pain. Coronavirus spreads the same way that other colds cause viruses do, by coughing and sneezing the affected person, hands shaking with an infected person, or touching things like the doorknobs that infected people touched. What to do about the coronavirus? There is no vaccine for the coronavirus. Do the same thing you do to prevent common colds from helping avoid infections of coronavirus. Wash your hands carefully with soap and lukewarm water. Hold your hands and fingers away from your mouth, nose, and eyes to prevent infection. Avoid close contact with people with a runny nose, cough and sore throat. If you feel any of these symptoms, call your doctor. Take a rest. Drink lot of fluids. Wear mask.